Hello everyone and welcome to my channel, Elle's Creation 2. Thank you for joining me today. If this is your first time joining me, please consider subscribing to my channel, like this video, share this video. Today we're going to be making a wall decor for you from medicine cups. For this project, you'll need a cardboard circle about 6.5 inches. I used a Dollar Tree mirror. It's one of the old ones, so it's about 5 inches. You're going to need medicine cups, which I got from the Dollar Tree, 2 packs. There's 30 in each pack. A glue gun, glue sticks, spray paint of your color of your choice, and some bling of your choice.